In this video, I am going to be revealing 3 things that you need to know before you start your first or next audio event on LinkedIn. Let's get started. Before anything, I want to tell you some of the feedbacks that we got from the event yesterday. Even though we had a little glitch from the beginning on my end and also on the end of my guest speaker, but I'm going to be revealing some of those glitches and what you can do to it, right, to avoid all these glitches at the end of this video. So make sure you watch to the end of this video. Now, Abraham Oyemari says, well done brother, you handled the audio well and your guest speaker did well too, but network was playing hide and seek with you guys, but your audience were loyal. Those are the words of Abraham Oyemari. And also in our own words, Temidayo Jimo says, you did a really good job Mike, I stayed to the end and the speaker was so full of knowledge. Congratulations on the success of your first LinkedIn audio event. Also, finally, Nobu Onwuka also says, the class really starred me up, bro. Those were just few of the feedbacks that we got from the LinkedIn audio event that I had yesterday. Let's move on. Yesterday, while my guest speaker talking about Stephen Voski, while he was answering some of my questions, he made mention of some important things I'm going to be revealing to you right now. So he said this is the right time for you or anyone that is listening to me right now to invest in cryptocurrencies or get involved with cryptocurrencies. So as you can see here, this is the book written by Stephen Voski, our guest speaker yesterday. It is titled Generational Wealth of Cryptocurrency. Alright, and yesterday Stephen Voski said that one of the most important benefits of using or getting involved in cryptocurrencies is being your own bank. So what does it mean to be your own bank? It means holding your money in your wallet. Actually, being your own bank is also in Generational Wealth of Cryptocurrency book written by Voski, which I've just shown you right now. So being your own bank simply means holding your money in your wallet, whereby only you have access to this wallet, because when you open this wallet, you're going to be provided with 12 seed phrases, right? And those 12 seed phrases are like your password, in which you alone must see and have access to it. Because if it gets into the hands of another person, your wallet might be compromised and your money can be all stolen away. This being your own bank is one of the, in fact, the chapter 2 in Stephen Voski's book titled Generational Wealth of Cryptocurrencies. Now, let us talk about the 3 things that you need to know before you start your first or next audio event on LinkedIn. And number 1 is get a modem or router, right? Also known as the broadband, before you start your audio event. The reason is because to avoid network glitches, right? Don't connect to the internet with your smartphone hotspot, right? Because if the network is not stable, it's going to be logging you off the event. And as a speaker or as the host, this is going to cause you a whole lot of inconveniences, alright? So make sure you get the modem for your first or next audio event before you start. So let's move to the second point. Now, the second point is to tell your speaker or speakers that they should join your event through the LinkedIn web version. Alright, tell them to use their Chrome browser or any browser they have to join the LinkedIn audio event. Because if they join through the LinkedIn app, they might be having issues, network issues, and of course you might not really have the opportunity to bring them up as a speaker, alright, because you wouldn't be able to see their hands raised. That was exactly what happened a few minutes when we started our own event yesterday, right? So let's move to the third point. Now, the third point that you need to know before you start your LinkedIn audio event is that you need to test your setup, right, for full functionality, and make sure you do this 30 minutes before your event starts. Make sure that your speakers and you are able to test this functionality. Make sure that you're able to bring them up as a speaker, and make sure that they can hear you, you can hear them, and everything is intact before you start your event. By doing this, I can tell you that your event is going to be successful without any glitch. Alright, so these are the 3 lessons that I learned personally from my first audio event on LinkedIn, and I really wish this is helpful to you, right? At Age Life Community, our vision is to ensure that we live the world that we found it Our mission is to ensure that we make the world a better place for everyone, and our goal is to ensure that we help one person daily through our content, through our behavior, and through everything that revolves around us. So if you're a top or big creator and you're having a mind to support small creators, then our community, AG Live community, is where you should be. There's going to be a link in the comment section of this video, so click that link and join our community now. I am also open to opportunities, recommendations, collaborations, any opportunities that you have for me. Make sure you send me a DM. Right. Before you go, guys, don't forget that Stephen Vosky is giving us 20% discount on his book titled Generational Wealth of Cryptocurrency. Alright, so if you want to get this book, make sure you send me DM right now, because this 20% discount offer is definitely going to be expired 48 hours from now. So if you want to get this book, make sure you send me DM right now so I can give you the access to the discount and get the book. Alright, so this is going to be the end of the video. So guys, I am inviting you to join our AG Live community, because AG Live community will give you many opportunities that you will never find anywhere else. So make sure you join us now, so you can get the link to our community under the comment section of this video. So I remain myself, Michael Akerede, aka Awesome Mike. Don't forget to follow me and also turn on the notification bell on my profile so that you don't miss out on all the helpful and beneficial content that I post here on LinkedIn. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm going to see you some other time. Thanks for watching. Hands to head salutes.